Dear guests, we have landed at Boracay Airport. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 11 minutes ahead of our schedule. For your safety, please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartment, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Ali Berdin, First Officer Jibel Balita, and the rest of the crew members, I would like to say thank you for flying with us. Sa mga naming panangay kalalapag lang po natin sa Boracay Airport. Para sa inyong kaligtasan,